Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be very interesting because we shall discuss the death festival of Toraja people of Indonesia. Yes, while death is considered as a joyless thing all over the world, the Toraja people of Indonesia think that it is a thing, death is a thing to honor and to celebrate with high respect. Those who are new to our channel are requested to subscribe this channel to get such true facts. And those who are already with us, we thank them a lot. So, while according to West culture, death is a joyless thing, the Toraja people think that death is not something to dread and avoid, but it is a central part of living and it involves honoring the deceased or a dead person with utmost care to aid their passage into the afterlife. Yes, the Toraja people of Indonesia think that death is such a thing to honor and respect, and death makes a beautiful passage for the afterlife for the dead persons. The Toraja people of Indonesia take preparation for years for such funerals after the death of their beloved ones. They take preparation for years. In the meantime, the dead bodies are kept in their homes, and even the rotten dead bodies are given food, and their clothes are changed, and the relatives and the family members of those dead bodies sweat the flies off from their rotting skin. Yes, this is true. And in this image, we are seeing that these are the dead bodies and the family members and the people, and these living people are wearing masks, and these are the rotten dead bodies, and they are giving food, they are changing the clothes of these dead bodies as considering them their living family members. In the time between person's death and their burial, verses from Bible are read before the dead bodies, and those dead bodies are preserved with mummification with a solution of formaldehyde, a chemical, and water. Those dead bodies are preserved in their homes by mummification. What is mummification? Mummification is preserving a dead body by spices, chemicals, waters, etc. And thus, those dead bodies are mummified in their homes. Here in this image, we are seeing that this is the mummification of a dead body. In this way, the dead bodies in homes are mummified with chemicals, spices, waters, etc. Money is raised by the family members for the funeral process and funeral celebration. And every member of the family and every relative of the family are intimated regarding the funeral celebration. So, this is a high status of Toraja people of Indonesia after the death of their beloved ones. And this celebration after the death of the people is so costly that people, to maintain this type of celebration, go into debt for arranging this type of celebration. A Toraja person may avoid taking a wife if he knows that his bride has a relative who may die soon. Yes, an Indonesian Toraja people can taking a woman as a wife if that person knows that his bride has a relative who may die soon, because after death this celebration is very expensive, and in order to avoid such expenses, the person avoids an woman to take her as his wife. So this was today's video. If this video is interesting to you, then please give a like and share this video to your friends and relatives. For getting more interesting facts, please subscribe our channel and stay with us. Thanking you for watching this video. We are meeting in the next video.